Hello guys, this is me Anand back again with a new video. Today we are going to Maine for camping, and it's a 3 day trip. First day camping setup, second day rafting, and third day sightseeing and returning back to home. And the location is West Forks, Maine. It will take us 5 hours to reach the destination. Finally, we are almost there to the destination. I can see my friends and the check-in section of Moxie Lake. Let's first check in and then go from there. Thank you so much for watching the video. Hello guys, good morning. Today I'm at Forks at Maine, and we are here for camping. This place looks awesome. It's been a new experience. It's the first time I'm doing camping, and then we are here through Moxie Outdoor and Adventure. They have a very good camping ground, and most important thing, we are doing a rafting today at Dead River. I think it will be a lot of fun. I saw a lot of YouTube videos, not so much, but few of the YouTube videos, they look very exciting. The rapids, it looks so much adventurous and a little bit scary too. I'm excited to have that experience. And it's early morning, 6 a.m. All of my friends, they are sleeping, so I just wake up early and then try to explore this location. And this lake is awesome, and one important thing, Moxie provides free kayaking, so you can kayak in this lake whenever you want. Okay, the lake is on my background. It's cold. It is cold. Yeah, I mean, we didn't expect this much cold, but we are well prepared with this cold. As you can see, the kids are ready for kayak and lot of fun activities in the campground. Ano Angga? From the barbecue, campfire, camping things, we also did for sightseeing. And the most exciting was the rafting. We really enjoyed the time doing camping time. Mudu samantai rakhदै गर्नु पर्यो हामीलाई बाहिर निस्किए ढुक्कै
तुमलाई थाहा छैन जनेन तुमलाई थाहा छैन अब त समय त ठुलो आउँछ भन्छ ढुकढुक भइसक्यो तर आएन
Good job. See, I'm excited.
Yeah, very excited. I don't know. Wait, stop it.
ठीक छ.
पापा ट्राई गर्ने भए ल्याउने
second.
I don't mommy.
No problem. Thank you so much for watching my video, and feel free to comment if you like this video, and also please do subscribe, like and comment on my video. Thank you again.